Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be teaching I'm going to be teaching you how to make Schoology more visually appealing and how to create buttons to make them click into Schoology folders. Alright, so let's dig right in. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. So again, this is supposed to make it look more appealing. And so I just have a little banner and then some clickable buttons and then another big button right here. So I only did 2 buttons just for now, but the About Me, it clicks into a folder or a page, and it can even click into a page. And so here's the About Me. Students will go back to materials, and then they will go down to assignments, and then here's where their assignments are. Or you can make it click into the assignment already. And so this is where I did it. I did it into a Google Doc, and so I basically just created the buttons, and then I linked the buttons to the Schoology folder, which it was possible. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that really quick. Okay, so we're gonna go to Google Drive, and then we're gonna go to a new Google Doc. Okay, and the reason why because I wanted to do this on Google Slides, and then I found out that I did it the hard way, and I tried it out, and I found out that you can't do it because it'll embed it into a slides, and so it'll look like a Google Slides presentation versus what it's supposed to look like, how with the buttons and everything. And so that's why I wanted to use Google Slides, because it was more easier to create stuff, but you can't because it'll just make it look like a presentation. And so we need to use Google Doc. Okay, alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and insert a table of just one, and this is where our banner is going to be. Okay, so our header banner, this is where you're going to create the banner. And then our next one, just go ahead and enter, and then let's just say you want to create 3 buttons. Okay, so go to table, hit 3, and this is where you're going to hit the 3 next buttons. And then if you want to add anything else, you can. Let's just say one more button. Okay, right there. Okay, so these are your buttons. Okay, so how to create the banner. So you're gonna click inside, and then you're gonna click insert, and then go to drawing, and then new. Okay, so because Google Doc doesn't have like shapes or anything like that or insert images, we're gonna have to go to drawing, and that's where we can create stuff like that, versus slides where it already has those buttons already on there and we don't have to do the drawing. So that's why we have to do it this way. Okay, alright, let's just say I want to do a rectangle, so I'm gonna do about like that big. Okay, let's say I want to change it to this color. Again, you play with it however you want to. Okay, I'm gonna make the border thicker. Okay, so that's a nice border. I'm gonna add my logo, my classroom logo. So there it is. Okay, there it goes. It's big, so I'm just gonna resize it. First, I'm gonna crop it. Okay. Then just resize it. Okay, good. Next, I want to add my Bitmoji. So if you already have the Google Chrome extension, go ahead and click that. Click any Bitmoji that you want. Just put the pencil in here. Okay, it's big. Alright, there we go. Let's just say this is a writing class. Alright, and then add text. Welcome to class. Okay, and I'm a math teacher, so I'm gonna put math class. Okay, change the fonts however you want. Font size, I'm gonna use Happy Now. I'm gonna use Frederick or Frederica. Hit bold. Hit go to more, and that's where you get the more. Oops. And that's where you can do more of the font works. Let's make it bigger. Put it in the center. There we go. Okay, that looks fine to me. Again, you can do like your classroom, your Bitmoji classroom in here, just go ahead, if you want to search up Classroom, Google search right here, Classroom. This is where you can find stuff like that, or if you already created that, or if you already have an image like that, just go ahead and drop it in. Okay, now once you're done with this, you're gonna hit save and close. Okay, and there it is. All right, now let's create the buttons. Okay, so again, we're gonna go to click on one of the cells, go to insert, drawing, new, and again, this is where you can create buttons. So you can do any shape if you want. Let's do a circle. I didn't do circles. Let's do this one. Okay. Alright, let's do different colors. Make the border thicker. Okay. And you can, if you just double click, you can add text. Okay. So I'm just gonna put all about me. Again, change the font to something else. Make it in the center. Make it bigger. Okay, so once you like your button, go ahead and click save and close. Okay, so we added a button. Now if you're gonna add the same type of button all the time, so just go ahead and click it, hit Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Okay, or right click and then paste. Okay, and then just click on the button and then go down here to edit, and this is where you can change it. Okay, so again, we're gonna do another color. Let's do green. Oh, that's an ugly green. Ugly. That's a little bit better. Okay. Let's do this one. Course info. Okay. Hit save and close. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Hit edit. Change the color. Let's do a red. No, we got that. Let's do an orange. Oh, ugly. No, that's better. Okay, and then just go ahead and highlight the text and change it. And office hours. Okay, hit save and close. There we go. We got 3 good buttons. Okay, and then let's just say you want to add something else. Assignments, just like my other one. Okay, so let's stay with this one. You don't want to add. You want to add an image for a button. Okay, so either you want to search up something, so watercolor background. You can search up something. Let's do what? Oh, so look how this one looks like a classroom kind of. So you can use that. I'm just gonna go with. I hate all of these. Okay, so you can either search up here like I said, or you can upload to, if you have something that you already have. I've already bought watercolor. I've already bought watercolor background, so I'm just gonna upload my own. Okay. Alright, there we go. And I'm just gonna resize it to make it look more rectangular-y. Okay, there we go. And then in the middle, I'm just gonna add assignments. Oops, if I can spell. Okay. Again, we're gonna change the font to impact. Let's just do that. Make it look bold so that way they know that they have assignments to do. And then change the font size. Oops, too big. Alright, there you go. And let's just center this. Alright, beautiful, I love it. Okay, hit close. There we go. We have a nice button, okay? Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the buttons. You're gonna add the links to the buttons, okay? So you're gonna go to Schoology course, okay? So let's just say, okay, I have a folder that's called assignments, and that's called homework. Oh, stations, how about that? It's called stations. 1 through 3. Okay, and then I have another folder that's called office hours. Okay, and then I have another folder that's called, oh, let's just do a page. So I have a page that's called about me. Okay, alright, I'm gonna click into the about me. I'm gonna copy the URL. Okay, go back to my document, click on the button that I have. Okay, and there's multiple ways to do this. You can either right click and hit link. You can hit this button that's to link, or Control K to link. Okay, and then right here you can paste in the link, hit apply. Good, go back, office hours, go into the folder, copy the URL. Okay, office hours, right click, either link or Control K, paste the URL. Okay, next to the last one, go back to your courses and stations 1 through 3, copy the URL, Control K, or right click, link, paste, apply. Okay, now we're gonna add this into our Schoology. Okay, okay, I'm gonna erase this really quick. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I just took it out and I'm gonna show you how to add it. Okay, so before you do that, I know you want to take out these boxes, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight, okay, and then go over here to these 3 dots, more, go over here to where the border color, make them white. Now you got beautiful buttons. Okay, alright, so this is what you can do. You're gonna highlight everything, or you can simply Control A, Control C for copy, or just hit copy. Okay, go to your Schoology, go to updates. Okay, right here is where you're gonna have this text box. Click in it, paste everything, hit this bell notification. That's to make the update go to the very first thing that they see. Okay, hit post. Now we can go to materials. This is the very first thing that they see. Okay, clickable buttons. About me, they click on it, bam, about me. They go back. Okay, they need to go into your office hours, click the office hours, bam, office hours. Okay, they're in the folder office hours. They need to do the assignments, click assignments, bam, they're in their stations 1 through 3. Okay, so that's how you basically do it. Okay, on my website, okay, if you go to blogs and websites, I have this website and she is amazing. She's basically the one that taught me how to do this through her videos. She has free templates on this, so all you have to do is just copy it, and she has a bunch of free templates. So I suggest that you go and follow her on Twitter and on this website, because she has a lot of amazing good things. Okay, and you can just download them for yourself and then use them for Schoology. Okay, so she is an amazing teacher and I suggest to go follow her. Okay, it's on my website, and it's on my website. Okay, so make sure to go follow her and give her some love. Okay, alright, that's pretty much it on how to create an amazing looking Schoology template. If you want to make it yourself, there's a bunch of ways on how to do this, so go ahead and create stuff for your Schoology, make it clickable for your students to like it. Alright, I hope you have a great day. Bye.